Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is 3 times tempered glass screen protector. Since the seller only have 5 left, so I purchased all 5 of them for only $7.80. So 5 times 3 packs, so total of 15. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. By the way, this came from China, so it took a while to get here, almost a month. And this is for the Apple iPhone 10 or iPhone X. So I purchased 1 pack from the seller before, and it was so good, so I purchased go back there and purchase the rest of his merchandise. So, and he packs it pretty well, double bubble envelope and then a box. Wow. Hopefully they're not cracked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stick together. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And these are for the iPhone 10, iPhone X. Okay. So I just want to go ahead and inspect all 10 of them real quick, make sure there's no crack. Right. So that's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 'Let's stick together. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Okay. So anyway, if you go to like a Apple store, they probably charge you this like, I don't know, $20 for them to put it on for you. So I figured might as well grab the rest of the merchandise since the seller doesn't have it. Not gonna carry this anymore for that price. So please be sure to like this video and then subscribe if you guys haven't do so yet, and turn on the bell for notification. Please also drop any other comments on below and share this with your friend and family on social media. I think you could grab some of this on eBay for awesome deal if they are willing to wait and they don't need to rush it. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, and like always, peace out guys.